a shocking revelation, the widow of late Nigerian singer Mohbad, Wunmi Cynthia, has spoken out for the first time since his tragic passing. In an exclusive interview with Chud, Wunmi disclosed distressing details about her struggles, particularly with her father-in-law, Joseph Aloba. Speaking further, Wunmi said that Mohbad's father, Joseph Aloba, wanted to be in control of her late husband's properties and was willing to ruin her life if he wasn't able to get them. She recounted that Joseph Aloba was even the one who pushed her for marriage to Mohbad and was the happiest during their wedding. In her words, she revealed that she has been receiving death threats daily and no longer feels safe. According to her, Aloba, who once supported her marriage to Mohbad, is now focused on controlling her late husband's properties and has allegedly been hostile towards their son, Liam. It's worth noting that one of the major controversies surrounding Mohbad's death was the demand for a DNA test on his son. Wunmi confirmed that she has always been ready for the test, but claimed Mohbad's family instructed her to keep the results private. The interview has sparked widespread reactions from Nigerians, with many sympathizing with Wunmi, while others continue to question the circumstances surrounding Mohbad's death. We will continue to monitor this story for more news updates. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.